So what's up, guys? This is the main reason why I'm getting my exhaust. So I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to be doing a quick fix for my car. As you can see, that's not supposed to be doing that. And it's broken like up towards, not at the headers, but towards the headers. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be jacking this thing up and then putting the pavers underneath. So it's basically just it's kind of like putting it on big blocks, kind of. And then I'm going to get in there with a grinder and cut off the broken piece of the exhaust. I've got to get on these, I think an inch and a half, maybe. So I need to jack it up and get these tires on this. And because my car is so low, I have to do it one side at a time. I will get back with you guys once she's on the blocks. I always got my grinder. I'm gonna need this to cut the exhaust. And I got my jack. And the way I'm gonna do this is 2 pavers on this side first, put 5 on the other side, so it'll be like that, and then put the last 3 on when I come back over here. So, I've done this before, and it's worked. It's worked rather well. So, we shall see if it decides to work again. You don't want to put the brake on. So that's this side done for now. Alright. So, I've now got to jack up this side. Get the jack. So, as you can see, this car is very low, and the side skirt does not make it any easier to get it off the ground. So, that's why I'm doing it this way. I think the back will be okay, but I'm going to go up higher for the front. That should be like 5-6 inches just about, if not more. I don't fucking know. This one's being close. That should be good. Put it down.
as you can see, this works pretty well to get me some sizable gap. It's about, these are 1 foot pavers. So I said I could turn one of these sideways. I've got about a foot, maybe like 1 foot and 3 inches or something like that. So that's good. I want to be under here, like I want to actually have some room under here because I'm gonna be using a grinder. I don't really want to be claustrophobic whenever I'm using a grinder. So I will start doing the other side for the final time. This is what I've been using as my tripod because I do not have a tripod, nor do I have the money right now to get a tripod. It's grinding time. Jesus Christ, dude. Hold up, guys. Okay, so it's been dragging around like underneath my car for about a day or two. Like the bottom of that is flat. And like if you look in the tube, it's just missing. But I'm glad I'm finally getting this freaking thing off because the dude who owned my car last cut it like from there, and he ran like some fence tubing all the way back there towards the diff. So he cut the axle back off, and I bought an axle back, but because that flange is missing, I cannot bolt it up. So I had to buy a whole new mid-pipe, and luckily for me, this broke right after I ordered it. So I got very lucky. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with today. That's how bad it sags. And it's like 2-3 inches off the ground, while my car is like 4, 5, 6, something like that. So that is why we are doing this today, because that is terrible. Let's not do that. So when you're dealing with grinders and stuff, always wear safety glasses, like dead ass. If you don't, you're kind of being an idiot. Because do you not like your eyes? I sure like mine. I like being able to see stuff. It's pretty fucking nice. That is the bad part. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it as well as I can. That's like broken the hell off. So what I'm going to do is cut this all the way around, and hopefully it'll drop. So I'm gonna do my best to record this, but I don't know how that's gonna work. So just give me a minute to find a rig. So while finding a place to rig, I've learned something. It's not only one mid-pipe side that goes to the headers is broken, fucking both are. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude, this shit's fucked. Okay, that's bad. Oh my god. Okay, but yeah, this side's already completely loose, so all I have to do is shave off this side. So I have to find a place, get this, I guess. Also, whenever you're doing stuff like this, wear ear protection. I forgot to mention that. God, this is such a pain in the ass. So, I don't know if you guys saw, but I was accidentally nicking my transmission subframe or submember or whatever. So, I'm gonna have to find something to do about this, because like, there's not much I can do on the top there. I don't want it to be grinding into my floor pan. So, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna do my best to try to break this off. Hey! That's as good as it's gonna get for now, because I've already got this part ordered, like from here back. But because of it's taking forever and this just broke, I'm just gonna leave this like this. But like the new system comes from that flange. I'm trying to do it without dropping this flange right here, all the way back to the bumper. Like, look at this piece of crap, dude. I mean, that's from me, 'cause it was hanging for a while, but like, this one is the one I cut, and that's the one that just fucking broke, just cuz. So, now that this is off, the car is gonna be much louder, which I'm not necessarily happy about, but it's what I had to do. So, I've got that new mid pipe coming in a few days, so you guys will get to see a video of that. But until then, I gotta wait. I will be PB blasting the fuck out of that flange, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to get new exhaust bolts or not. Probably gonna have to, but I need to figure this stuff out beforehand. So yeah, that's basically it.